Hi there, I am Paul Yaterman, a scientist by day and among other things an artist by night. Here I draw stuff, spaceships, still life, original characters, life drawing, creatures and mystical beasties. In these videos I tend to show the post-thumbnailing drawing process resulting in a completed work. That typically involves a grey or blue pencil sketch, inking with fine liner, perhaps a scan of the intermediate work, and finally colouring using markers, pencil and sometimes Photoshop. Mostly I offer these up as time-lapse. Mostly. Now and then I'll live stream, sometimes I'll show the video at normal speed for its entirety, so that's 60 minutes of fun, not much talking. If this sounds like something that would float your boat or provide you with inspiration, sketch ideas or instruction, activate the subscribe button and hit like right now. Also, comment with feedback or requests. Okay, let's see where I'm up to in the time lapse. Working on adding some interest to the drawing. I've done the fine line pretty much, now I'm just scanning the picture and I'm back. Photo for Insta, and now I'm thinking of adding blues once I do the greys. So I'm using warm grey here. I haven't put the end top down on paper, but you can probably make out it's W1. Sometimes with shading I might go dark to light, and other times I'll go light to dark. Going light to dark is better, I think, because if you screw up with way too dark shading, you can always can't rescue it unless you're whacking in Photoshop and tone down the colours. Whereas if you go light to dark, there's a less chance of screwing up the shading. The fine line to give the chesty, skinny bit stuff some texture and depth. Here I am adding thickness to the lines just using a fine liner. You can do the same thing in brush pen. A brush pen can look for more, I guess, polished visual as opposed to doing it with fine liner, because fine liner is going to get a rougher look, which is what I'm doing here, or what I'm going for here. Adding these little bumps on the beastie, making it thicker sort of at the bottom, which gives it some character and some depth, some skin tones just around the lips, the teeth, just to imply a bit of skin. Again, more with the shading. If I had gone cool grey, blues would definitely be in the colour scheme. Here I'm using a mix of cool, warm and neutral greys. Bit of gel pen for the eyes, more skin tone colour just to give the eyes a bit of depth, giving it some lips. Mirroring that around bits of, you would say, delicate skin. Work on the shading again. Towards the end of this drawing I go, maybe it does need some colour, and that's when I introduce the blues. And because this is on a standard sketch pad, it does do bleed through, and at the end I'll show you what I did on another day by adding tentacles to it. You can do like tentacles sort of thing, but it remains to be seen. It's hard enough just to get these videos out. I'm doing a whole bulk voiceover session. So if you watch all these things sort of in one after the other, you might find that most of the audio, at least the incoming and outgoing, is very similar. So, what do you think? How would you have drawn this? Let me know your thoughts or ideas in the comments. If you have found this interesting, informative, entertaining, you were inspired to draw on your own sketchbook, or any fun stuff like that, subscribe to my channel, like this video and consider sharing it. Ideally, share it. If you were inspired to draw, share with me your creation in the comments or by tagging me on social media. Until next time, you have been watching Drawing Stuff with me, Paul Yaterman. Ciao, take care and happy drawing.